Hello students, सब तो पहले आप सब ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। Hopefully you all will be fit and fine and your September exams are going very well. So for the preparation of these exams for class +1 medical students, we are going to discuss biology sample paper. But before that, if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed it yet, so do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you get a notification and you don't miss a video. So let's start. Time would be 3 hours, maximum marks would be 70. Section A, 28 questions, MCQ type process of anabolism is all the metabolic reactions, destructive, constructive reactions in the laboratory. Okay, all unicellular eukaryotic organisms belongs to Monera, Protista, fungi या फिर bacteria. Then genetic material of retrovirus is DNA, and RNA, none of these. Recursive particles occurs in chromosomes, nucleus, Golgi complex, mitochondrion. Next is the union of two subunits of ribosome requires manganese, calcium, copper, magnesium, which is not a function of cytoskeleton in a cell. Transportation, intracellular support, cell motility या फिर cell shape. An amino acid having both positive and negative charges, positive ion, negative ion, zwitter ion or neutral ion. Next, Benedict test is done to confirm the presence of polysaccharide, reducing sugar, proteins or lipids, which is not the substage of prophase 1 of meiosis. Leptotin, diakinesis, zygotin या फिर chromatin. Next is the main protein of mitotic spindle is myosin, tropomyosin, tubulin, insulin. Next, the amphibians of plant kingdom are algae, pteridophytes, gymnosperms. Next, bryophytes. Next, peat moss is Sphagnum, Funaria, Polytrichum और Cladonia. सॉरी ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਨੰਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਉਹ ਥੋੜੀ ਟਫ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਟਰਮਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੋ I may be wrong sometimes in pronouncing them. So the female reproductive organ is in algae is Pogonium, oospore, Archegonium या carpel. ओके मैं क्वेश्चंस रीड कर देना भाई तुसी फिर आंसर्स डायरेक्टली देख लियो. लॉन्ग filamentous threads at the end of young cob of maize. Then next is the arrangement of leaves on the stem or branches. Next, epiblemma is okay. Then we have true false. Chromatin is made up of nucleic acids, histones and non-histone proteins. Next, metaphase, the last phase of mitosis. Next, the sporophylls or cones are present in angiosperms. Next, roots develop from parts other than radicle are called adventitious roots. Next, meristem causing length of the plant is present in the root apex. The main function of the lenticels is gaseous exchange. Then we have Phyllops. Milk bacterium is next. The most abundant element present in the human body is next. DNA replication occurs in dash phase of the cell cycle. Next, hypogynous flower. The ovary is in this flower. The ovary is The term meristem was coined by closed vascular bundle does not has dash. Section B, each question of 2 marks, 10 questions. Define phylum and order. Next, how are viroids different from viruses? Next, what is mesosome in a prokaryotic cell? Mention the function that it performs. Or multicellular organisms have division of labor. Explain. Then what the nuclear pores? State their functions. Draw the structure of amino acid alanine and a nitrogen base thymine. Or what are micromolecules? Give 2 examples. What is G naught quiescent phase of cell cycle? Next, differentiate between syngamy and triple fusion. Next, differentiate between apocarpus and syncarpus ovary. Or define estivation epipetalous stamen. Next, write the floral formula in actinomorphic bisexual hypogynous flower with 5 united sepals, 5 free petals, 5 free stamens and 2 united carpels. Or draw the label diagram of a gram seed. Next, how is the study of plant anatomy useful for us? Section C, 3 into 4, 12 marks. What do you mean by algal blooms, red tides? Next, what is centromere? Draw and name different types of chromosomes depending upon the position of the centromere in them. Next, describe the arrangement of floral members in the relation to their insertion in the thalamus. Or explain with examples the different types of phyllotaxy. Next, state the location and function of different types of meristems. Or what is stomatal apparatus? Explain the structure of stomata with the labeled diagram. Next, section D, 10 marks देने. Write the main any 10 differences between mitosis and meiosis. Or describe the synapses chiasmata. Draw diagrams to us your answer. Write any 5 differences between monocots and dicots. Or A part है, write any 5 economic importances of algae. Or write any 5 economic importances of gymno है या gymno है, I don't know, sperms. Okay, so it was all about a sample paper of biology for +1 class medical students. So do prepare well and get good marks. My best wishes are with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends and students.